Hello, Lincoln community. One of the things we really value here is the focus on whole child education, their academic, social, emotional, behavioral, and physical development, and that we make space and time to really pay attention to all of your child's learning needs. What exactly does that mean for our community? I'd like to introduce you to our elementary school counselors, Fernanda Franco and Cassie Doyle, who are going to talk to you a little bit about neurodivergence.
Hi, my name is Cassie Doyle. I'm the K-3 through grade 2 counselor.
Hi, I'm Fernanda Franco, and I'm the counselor for grade 3 to 5.
We're here today to talk to you about a very special program that we started 2 years ago here at Lincoln, and it's called Parenting Diverse Learners. This is a group of parents that meets on the last Wednesday of every month for about an hour, and we focus on creating community between parents of neurodiverse learners. So neurodiverse learners might be children with attentional, behavioral, or learning needs with or without a diagnosis.
So the inspiration came from the individual meetings we had to talk about individual students. And parents would say, am I the only one facing this? And we just thought that it would be important for them to actually understand that no, they were not the only ones. And that's when we decided to start this program.
So our main goal with these meetings is to foster community. And as I mentioned, we've been doing this for 2 years. And so we have some parents who have been part of it from the very beginning. And then we have new families that have joined us every year. So every year at the start of the school year, we create a survey for this group. And we ask parents what they want to learn more about or what they want to have conversations about. And each month we pick one of those topics and we facilitate a discussion around that topic. Because the real meat of the meetings is the conversations between parents, where they can share things that have worked for their families, they can ask questions, they can troubleshoot some problems they might be having, and we act as facilitators for those conversations.
So in these meetings, we address many different topics. One of them is executive function skills and how to support their children to develop some of those skills.
We talk about positive discipline strategies.
Communication skills is another hot topic.
How to set up routines that work for your family.
And managing students and kids' emotions.
At each of our meetings, we do put a cap of 20 participants because, like we said, the real meat of the meetings is when people can have conversations with each other. And the smaller number allows for that flexibility of everyone who wants to talk has a chance to speak.
We've gotten a lot of positive feedback, and usually parents tell us that they feel that they belong. They feel that they connect more with our community, with those sessions we have, which have been very impactful for them.
We work really hard to make this a supportive and open community because we recognize that parents coming to join us and talking about their kids' needs is a very vulnerable place that they're in. And so we want to provide a space that's warm and welcoming and safe. So we created norms for our group, and then we've actually built on those norms over the last few years with input from parents. And we have norms like be forgiving of yourself and be open to learning from families that don't look like your own. We feel like it's important to have a space like this in every school because you're not alone in this journey. Everyone's story is unique, but you never have to do it alone. And because of this, we actually went and presented at a conference last year called AMISA, and it's an international conference for schools in Central and South America. And we shared our story with other schools in the hopes that they would open up a group like this in their communities so they can provide a space for their family to get together and to have these conversations.
We want you to know that everyone is welcome, and we are here to support you.